Sulu FM hello.
Hello.
Chairman swaswa mwenore.
Kama ndo mwageni mriena hayo nende mwana wase.
Karibu sana Oliver chairman kwa kunyole bula sana chairman.
Asante mno.
Wakana kuwabwe yangu asubuhi sana no kheshe kwa ba kurekereza kimbeka cha ukana basi ndo kwanja kama swali pole pole.
Ndiyambu kule sisi sino kwanja kwimenja samwene se mheshimiwa George wa Mangoli odi chairman wa Nzoia chuo katumwe kutinje management. Runo wi bukola sisi sino kusima balimi nende wafanyikazi. Kwanza kene nanji ne balimi sikira balimi bayekhalire kane company ino kalinga kwe company kwa rekaniye ne kwa maintenance kwa libasa bana kwa kimi batawe enyamba sine bisubira lyabwe mu factory yabwe enyati mme wafanyikazi kabo na kuzibala kuno nabo nabantu nga balimi nende wafanyikazi nga bantu yatawe bolera abana base bakuka base bali mu company bobekhalire kelukali ene bantu balanga patriots yani babantu wa talendo ni ba talendo bantu babenye sitinchi yabe sivyo aba asakusiza kumulamba sibanyola kibishara enyamba mpira asante nitokunabukulanga busire bwenobu mungire ya kuchikatawe barero mikakati ke kwenya kuyeda ikunyola kitendi kulunge bafanye kazi babozi bamenyinga babati nono kubatira asante babake tichumeze ziyosi bijuma bindi byema lakini Nzoia yema getange nginyeti ngira munge nyinshi
ore muno sana chairman
kwa hivyo senenya mbolele hoja nende ezo kilondio kwa muzima lukalima bukula factory ino ye bana benywe eba papa benywe mukitetyanga nejenya kucha kukolwekane murera kama kwa kaba libolo buliono murera mumpeo mamubole abantu mulitawe ine factory yenye wakira wawo abantu kimyoyo mbo basubira factory yawe bagiranga barijuma cyabwe basi malukali ulije nembele yo kimyaka na saye ndikine kicha kubagirano sima ku support yamire ko balimi nende yamire ku tuwe yabanga niyo dala ye factory no kuyitanga ne kubola ne bola bando bakoyeja maoni bakoyeja kumwoyo yasingibo kuyeje bantu kumwoyo kuba mu company ne ale company ino mo chikamu cha serikali no yo ngene khekoreka
sorry
kanda bolanga ndio sai kunene kama kunendi mbane namile nyangolo kwa bene bodi abe koje kama kunendi kero kwa msi
chairman wakana khola abwe naota chairman wakana khola abwe naota kwenyile kuchakileza ku bintu bila trendanga bintu bila sindu syanga bantu chingana kane kwama mu company ya Nzoia kisikundidi chabirire kwa ulile bali wifwi wesukari wekholekhane mu Nzoia kama kunya 226 kwa ulile chingana kane chabukhane lakini wenga chairman sewabolele balimi sina sile kholekhana takhubera bakali bakharungwa chisendi ta bayira kimiba kyabwe mu Nzoia ne bawulile bali sukari chana bebi wakana khurakisila abwe nanga chairman we board
mbo wakana chairman no khusabwe nao yabe mbo error yechire bakulile sukari nga bakirako saba chisilingi barere ku account bali ba pesta tirorere kwa na sukari kama kunia 228 50 kgs bana ku account chisilingi chitivako kama kariera
nenya mbolele balimi nende wafanyikazi bozimbo ibindi bye wifwe sukari kama kunia 228 wakile kwa abane kumukutano kwa bodi enyanga ya juma kwenye basingishe kole neze kule wakuja hangu abele narero kale kimbo chana koba kuenjeletia nibo batisa yo nende anti corruption kubenja sinatie kole ingira bibindi bye kuno bye kole kale mkamwe wenomu mabyalera ribalidi yo gwifu mkamwe mwenomu kamena kakile kwatile kuri kwabolele bajimbo jana ko bachongireho abele sekarika barita wanyole eroli ya kupula esukari nono kuli nyaliro kulabanyola ne kulamubola mbo takuchakulekako nafasi yosi kubukulirwa omundu yesi niyo chingwa chanakoba china ripota namwe china tirata tumanye mu chingwa lero bachitwena ne chiunyirisha sapaka buli abundu akabajina chakuira abari chingine na jaza nzeba rochaira charero akabakola kama kenaka boli abundu ne kalinga esukari yaje bazeli ha management ya put measures in place kubo kichambo kinatekoleka sikakunende department ya internal auditor umanyisha mbo bintu sina kola ne process kebwe ichatsuna namwe bantu babona mana bari kazabintu byabo ko okwareleho uidentifier onanu wakola wali authorize abantu bano bantu bakulesuka sikakunende process elindi nisana mukambuni kwamanga MD mujenekecha bozonya aja omwene samwene kukoze sukarita sikabo ngocha mungi wachinga lisana lakini ne bwana syndicate bwana ya bekali ni ga abyo ga kuzota lakini no weleka umuntu kabere bibi bire byako linyangaro baine majola majaja buna kana kwa ja buna kana mumba ba tikwe sai ngakoma mwakuri babana ba ho kazi processing ababole ye company babena baba ku line of action namwe baba ku ile sukari njene kukulia milenje uwenya kumanyambo zebarere chimbo cyane kubonekera mukarumo igikoji kende njola abundu babarere barero wakana kitabuni barero ibintu bindi byo kijambo erije ko nyo knerenja tawe wakana kachama no ebo kondema ibintu byo kuiba eskari zikira bokulina ndebute kele bukali kurunga bali mine de kurunga wafanyikazi kawa wafanyikazi bao mie kimya ngende kumwa kumulamba kwa barunga kakwenye kitende kubarunga mbona isa kumundi yes obukwata likunya namwe kironda ye company tawe kwa hivyo nenya kondem omundi yes uli involved maze kuchakula kako sindu ziozi tawe kwarere obandu kwarere horundi baba kuraza kubandu benche kaba bali assisting no kureko ba checks bakakolata we are empowered by law kuenja independent forensic audit yikoreka ingeniebe paka bibindi biro kumanya nanu wavamo ekakola ariena bino byekoreka namwe nibane byekoranga bazi kujya akaba kumwataya akaba geni maka kozi kali kabati bigira ho kola bindi bino byulanga kaba wakali kwa hivyo zeri bindi byo kola inge kota kwa midrenge board kwa lomiro kulazima kubukule mutimamu kumubovu sana kumulio kukondema nende kumeka sure board management wakule report this are you wakule report and the corruption yakule report independently mara kutire nende abantu baba involved seriously and they will just keep them out of the company and they will look for abadacha kuli baje ku mukoti baba banyole kanembo ibintu bakoleye koleka holunta bigano birora gese chairman bo bibindi byabere kanyarekana yabe bikolekanga dikira nolola para mikakati kimebozana ilinda kubuye esukari ni kwa hivyo esukari kuzabali bano mundu abikede ero yao abali babyanga bintu bikati none kama yakati kwenye kwingeni yebe timu yewe ya security mkari timu yewe ya security ni kwa indlo ya kwa menje yewe je report ma ne kumaliza report ngene tekuli kunabolango bali ko kutakalata tekwenye bwezo kupe mu harita kuleke bibindi byorundi bali bikoleka rundi munyanga kicha tawo wakana bali komanye bali kulabukula umutimamo kumulu kuye wabantu bo it does matter if is who well, even the level of myself if in other section in the process or somebody came to me nakakira nabo abantu babana bakuza ku process ku yeyo I will be also be dealt with because the law does not exclude anybody
wakana chairman kwenya kurebe holirebo chairman kwenya kure kulinda information imbo managers fulani babere suspended kulondekhana nende wifu buno ewoli chairman we board banda kuba kurekeresha kwenya reach out clearly baba managers ba section sin
managers ite nakulanga erole yo kujja kimya ndio sino si eba jange process no mo process ye kambu eri kwanja eri rumu wa marketing marketing ni odela o marketer o jagodela bi ero omundu oli directly involved ali finance person again baba process abindi bye bakola audit and all of those authorities are in the process. We are in the manual kone de kamala ka kugusia card you know baba and bali kuline kwena kuboza bala la pe milenje ngaikebyo bayaji bali kumutoa kotia baba amone de bakaba muta no ko wenja bakaba muta
no ko ni family marketing manager and finance manager baba suspended
ndakubola ngadi baba anapo siba kuline ya selling yeyo nendo waba holinda kama pesa uyingini bakawa lisenjolile babe nabe milenje kakuwejele kya nanua wa kwarela information wa bala ko babe nabo niko chakutia nabo
chairman kholisabwe nao paro nyala wafukisha ne dafwembo wakana bibindu bikholekana nkabibienebe ngobololi binyala kubana byakholekana kwa menyu meyo nibyo bilala bele bire company yenzoya
yakulanga ndi bali ka umuna alilanga nulo mtu akaza lukali papa wazemu wabahoya na uno mtu akaza lukali za tingini sa akaza tofilo yota alilanga niyo wewe wacha alilanga wa mawu wacha alama kaldo mukazi wewe wacha ngezena injane masikane ndi masika ndilanga atabanza ndilanga mukano wasawo nokamena akakira kamena kanenda kubulanga ndi enyala kufa lazima kuzuwenje kuti bintu sina chigunda chabawo zikira wakana kakontributanga ku kazi ya zoya
nakwesenda abwene chairman lukani ko balimi barebera kwa masubuhi balala baremba kimi bakhale balala bayira kimi bamukambule bakharungwa tati silingi chabwe paka lunari balimi bakali banja kukiva apa bali nona ababulimi bwe kimi bakana khole khuriyena
particularly ba complain sana bayira kimi bakyabwe kumwaka kwa wamira kumwezi kwa harana kwa 6 kwa 7
babo toke
haruna lakini
nabakobola masa banyola khuli chivulira ito
lakini bali abayide esku yosa barungirwe no kali nanya bandu chingana kanisa
tawudene kama genjize nje chikale checho chilindanga rabanga balimi balala kwati we hota mwikalirire sikira ngobona nende kungira mukambone koloba sikira mbo noromuntu ukule ikilingi cyo kurakura no tingi cyo kuzilingo kumiba kya bareranga kurunga ne kurunga ko babandu bena babe chika account yekali nakini jinga ko larunganga babandu barera biniba so ku maintain donation nakini ese nyana ko ndama kuduno ngokuri endine hakina abeli koloba nende ministry ya finance kakunyola chisilingi milioni 101 201 after the budget about July there lakini meanwhile kulabola ngo baurungenge gisese barunga currently in the century kindar jikarungwa mtekairona iro bitakubera bayira gisese ba narubirunge bandu base baba hoyogi abakhala katsenjene jiba kujja narubi barungesa lakini cyoze giri kapita muzilingi cyebu jabere yara mamu sirikari siyaye yarunga cyakoma kuzgaho dita maba afire ko sendi bakani kwa miyenza de bali baje ko ite chinya moja na 201 kusetsa that problem ya kubarunga nundi sirikari yahuereche ilingi 300 ndio Kenya this afternoon kuja kucheka maintenance and most of that money ya kurunga babali bakaraba kwa hivyo selibo tukumanye kuna barunganga ta nekalimbo ne babala bolanga bali beche mchuli elimbi kozi kulakalanga hotel jindala kuzukane kuti yojire jazai ne kurunga babantu benabo balala bali agenti balala babana bafile balala bana kuba school engene a program is ongoing but we are aware of their plight we are aware edabu yabwe lakini kwenye kutulushiyo kubela bali bakuwele kumoyo site bakuwele kimiba kwa hivyo kupana nende board and myself can promise we have almost 500 which is coming ikichabo chono tubala chisinge almost 300 lakini kurunga kureduce bali minabo nga esukari nga kubola nga bamba kwa kai importation ka fixanga ifactory ichikwa none kwa price ya belenge kai ijuma lyawele lyo kwa kutinge esukari likunya tinje bukine na 500 roli kile kilasi kutini kile bukuje tinje bukine jere bukine je likunya je so tinya tamchaji kingi na kia fake ya kili nje kurunga balimi ndi babandu bandi bani kwa hivyo kulakolanga manager zoze kulakolanga ndi managers ibindi no byo ukalabadi bubulo mundu lunapukile nto yeliyo male ko fweni ne ko kole kazi ngene kwa hivyo kebo weja kumwewa balimi kembere jambo kaba cha kumurunga neze nenyama nyikaba walungu njo jeje kale okoreba undi milikuwa nzeba ko MD akalaka ko sike ko tili ngari nyola na runga babandu bakale bana bana kola kamenaka
wakana
kwa hiyo yikalile nabo kwa kimezi kibili na mwiki taribeni abakwa mukilide mwezi banzo ya skale ekamuni yimwe
wakana chairman na kusiria bwena osindu si pasola bali ne bali bacha munzo ya kunendi chikambo ni chaki binafsi chikambo ni jino sinyolanga kubuyetu bwose kwama ku serikali tawe bakusie kimiba barunga bandu bali mibulai barunga bakholi bulayi what is so difficult for Nzoia yosi khukopa mfano nga chikambo ni chikhategemea khubuyetu bwose tawe kwama ku serikali
hoja wala kimkali ni zolomo leta ikira wani mboba chikambo ja private checho lala tejirunganga bujuru wangalinge burungata yekabi niyo barera ngesukari nekoze kwamanyireta onono kombire ndo mundu ori kala bamwere kali kaki round ane ndoka utiba je niwe kaki kale safari mana nyokeje ne efweka serikali kola bingu honest kumes kwa hivyo nolomo le basu barunga bula iba kumchara kimchara ke bandu bakola mu mbayindi gekyo oja nolomo lyo kubukule babe na babalinga bakrani betwe kwa hivyo there is no comparison. Example, once we get out of these rules Nzoia enabamzanga Safaricom lakini hukombea wali private hata zaidi nazika Nzoia ni zaidi nikinewa kote zaidi nazika bali mimi wakati kama ya kurunga kinyiba ni kama ile zinazika Nzoia ni katika kinyiba sawa because when it drops the national da kube lambo baingia baba nyanya zina be nezira maiwa my brother-in-law Ebunyala. Baba pasa Kenya gaborali lazima Nzoia inyoke kwa kunyanyazwa nende bayi maana aba shuambo na kuclear vitu vya kwa serikali yako yeta kuchaku galawa bandu babunyanyisa burundi tawa ino eri cosmetic ye umekambo ke bakola bulai ubera bakola bintu bidala ne kunya kwa kolata lezo nyana ne ikipnedro serikali da nyana na ne bila bali yukura tirita eze kola bintu byane kwa hivyo nenya okanda sana Nzoia it can never, and I will tell you, I assure you, Roger, this is my son. You will never be compared with other factories in India.
Ne a problem kumahwake ba khalabani ba kholiba ba Nzoia yosi yabe raised babola bali enywenywenge body and the top managers berunganga mishara musevyenyi khana enyumunyola achi allowance Kenya khana lakini ba khalabani ba khola kimilimo pakhucha paka ba casuals banyakhana sana
koja omanyi mako ke body midanda safarjinga omwaka akondelo we for the owners of the company mara ko meet the own time the link to the government. That's why I go to the factory almost 2 days or 3 days a day because it says in the part of the management Nolo mo baba nganga allowance. Bana kula inja kugenda kitendi nyo ni baba manye. Mbo kitendi nyo le kati kubaru. Ini ngine kunyanyo ngire tozi akabuni ko nywa jinga ijo koja. Eze wacha nacha ko paranya. Tiro ata katanganya kulima emabanga kuredio alitenzo ila memorandum ya kila president kare bilioni 200 kurunga bali. Kwa hivyo tukona ngata nono mufanyikazi nabo arikwerungire lati mengire abantu enebo bahongo bakole kazi barere kindi jeje maba kujibere ndo bale kubani bole nibayo mwozi balokananga abantu bezele kala nunga babesitawo. Kwa hivyo saya abantu bamanyi mbo ebodi elile ona zonzoya mara ichanga ona crisis right now eskaneti nono ngeje kuweja kujaba wele webaba kujikoleke nekababeni bare ade kindi igira kamera kakando barebanga abantu bali inasigira ba nzoya yari yari sukari ni yari ngire ne mukaije kiti jema manye bali epeye sukari yehazi maya festa epeye sukari yota none ko kamera zile kolanga mane mbayo nibenya ndinga lengo mara kuchira bunge kumyango biunga kusuka unzoya. That is what the root can take. What is the different one? But as in the book the time urera gahurera reforms in the urera state aba college trouble. The small allowances ya kujabu kuri kasi cyo mukabafura cyo bojoro mu bantu enye yake wari za kutuwe wa complain yawe bawe cyangata ero weje tinjabe kujara kwabe kozi plus before deduction kuri half a billion kulame wale bakari berunge possible.
Okay,
nenye bamanye that difference and do the board does not be on daily basis. It comes when there's a crisis like we have now.
Omwami chairman khonende lirebo nabona no mulimi bali George Kukali kabe na reba ali mheshimiwa chairman, you are reporting factory as chairman and in Noko as a director. 2 Araminali, why allow MD to kill Noko by stopping 1% levy? Alafu 2 so bila kuandika aliway bridge deducts 5 tons per trailer. Is it true?
Wait.
Sanile Molundi, alumsore bali George Cook alumulimi, alomali mheshimiwa chairman, you are report in factory as chair and in the Noko as a director. Why allow MT, managing director, to kill Noko by stopping 1% levy? Alafu 2, alomali way bridge deducts 5 tons per trailer. Is it true?
1, the 5%. The investigation, and I'm calling them right away to explain to me that 5% he's talking about. Because they give back the region Zoya, because every year we young and that's why so that MD, as we are talking, is listening. He said to me and explained to me the 5% he's talking about. The issue of local and the 1%. Because now, because that should come to the board for us to discuss. The Nenya said maybe I will ask him if there is any action which he has taken and which he has not been created. Because no was created by Nzoya, and it is the voice of the farmers. No existed. Any story I will also ask. Lakini we can still miss it. Cover the static kind of situation. But as it is, there's good relationship between Okanda and Zoya. If there's an issue, I'll deal with it. Because Noko was established as a guarantee, under guarantee, no guarantees. So it is a company established as a guarantee, which is part is a government, part is the farmers. It is a vehicle, the voice of the farmer. I will be able to tell Kukali, but all your hosts, don't go fast. The Gila is an abonnement, Abanga bandi I will have replied as chairman. But I want to say we have cordial relationship. After recently, body and we are very meeting Mukesa, and they are winding, they are dealing with the matter. Carrying over no, and which are necessary to come to the board.
Kulinde omulimu kundi harere concern bali Joseph alomali sinasikira management yanzo yani andika ba police ku patrol mu nuclear estate mala kulinde baraka kwa amasimbi banyara bayeta kimiri mu minute ali abasaka be mana baraka employment
ezene yamba bolerembo. One of the things which those patrol police officers have brought in the company is the stealing ngira kuiba kimiwa kimiwa ke kambu silo nende ba nze bali ya bina bama kuibanga silo kimiwa baje mu company ibakusia West Kenya ne kwabola bakada mabapozwe ku protect kimiwa kama ko kutile milioni 10 ko berambo bandu beje kizibara makimi bakie kamu nisikia zozo zenyegeta sekunde electoral nini ye factory ta malanga beje ba patrol amabaji babo abantu bakive ngomunyi babo bali mundu nakanyole kanelisa kiza muji fo ikiyanga ne bama kubera mu company kwabo nako bali mundu ahajja kuyo kenzo ye factory kwa hivyo elimbo efwenge company wateka precaution to protect kimiba ki nuclear mala eyeniero yefwe kwa hivyo kaba abanga bantu befwe bali nibo mu kuibango kusani kuno ko kuibata ngo kwebene cyamu ngoni babira abanga bali andi bazaro bapata lakini bana bero atali unyima kabane ko nyima kiyine ko kuiba ko benjanga musango lakini yabo yeko that's why they focus on position bokulere ba police bali ba patrol to keep off but we interfere in the assets of the company so what affect the bali vita to protect the mino kirukione no kama na gani konda uzao bolanga ndi paka ba patrol ya kwenda kudako electrical phase lakini wao ambo zingura hichi elikure ba askari ni kiniru bakende ngabwe na balinzi bichamba lini bali kawa limundu aliyewe no kombolene kama naka abana kombolene nga sisi ndio bakolanga kwenya kuje kama mala kwa ikibe kinga part of the company who just ya kimiba kubandu balala betanga sio ne bari makimiba baba sone kilo hata balala ba chene baramkarmano kwa hiyo itaendelea
alafu
nimeona sali nimekuja
kolinende omundu bali chaka munyalo mbonanga saisi yanzoya sana alomali ndebere ku chairman ali sinasikia niena report anga ku MD instead of MD reporting to him alizeranga a lot of eyebrows and bandu bakukasana
nikasina ma oyo mwana onze ni nikasina yabone ze report kwa MD report to me and then I'm the boss yona no ko ne de jinjine de mani director aba ha report ko ezeke kala ko mozi ya MD ne kali kwa ndi mukambo dinaje mozi mala bali mizenya aba baruki mala MD ni urungana then I come out of my office go to office to farmers lakini all things in the world as we MD keje mesida buzini ndoba nandi hata bibi ne bija naro bino kibaro niyo andika kambe je mu jana kwa hivyo ni akabona balitezipota ko MD is not true and it is just a relationship no ko ne bachi no ko no mwana nga MD hari ngo mwana wose sometimes not all the time sometimes kaba kintu yoni nenya ka akolile bali ba tiyo kwisi ndio mwenye in terms of operation MD ni okola wingi operation man kwa hivyo lazima mcheho mubolenzi yetabanu namwe siga nyenga kwaja ndarumukeni wakarusa abamanyeta nejire kubera baba achaka abana jire ku report ku MD no MD reporting it's not an letter of appointment ya MD amanyi deli dalba mzebanja deli kikarita ndezo wo muhandika kwa hivyo bakarera bibindu bi yenya bukurera kimbendezi ko kambuni mala ka dimbo de racing je bitaw ne limbi kaka dikira no wa ku la ko wundi no kawa there's some misunderstanding we are addressing it, and if they cannot be addressed, it will be able to take appropriate action, appropriate time.
Na kholi sabo na chairman kataruka kuandika lyano nabone balimi bakali bose kwama mapemba babena babone mbore ba chairman na baremere kimiba kyabwe kikhalanga sana mu mukunda niyo bakisute bekomba khumanya Kenya kana kikhale for how long ne problem bibe changa sinano alafu liye khabili babone mbore ba chairman mbo mwarere ongira sina khubone mbo imported sugar ele changa khuloko market like lukano kwa mebukanda mwarere ongira sina khubone bo mwakikhingilire na khubele mbo ele changa mara yona kesoko esukari yefwe ona bareba bali nanu bali behind imported sugar fwanere alafu ye hataru bali ureba chairman chabari jibole mbo embudika njiro kuandika abantu bewe kazi nzo yabakali sana nianga chairman yali awaya na mwetawe
number 1 nimbo hupika kimiba nyamba wakakije bali nimbo yes it is true mbo kimiba kade blade hupilera kukulera ni baremire mais pour manile pour kura yoni ne baremire kurera na kuchira kurera kimiba eli mbo lazima something is approach right now a company enu mkakati kunyola tractor ichefwe nicho abo niyo kurera kubukula je kimiba kangu kwa andika bayindi kusta ne bayindi ala mazi wrong place mazi ateka time kwa hivyo enga company kula enjanga esozi ya kunyola tractor chefwe kula enjanga ingia ya kuempower even local babene tractor joined with us as our supplementary, as our supporter, babeni tractor mana kule kubani ndidisi kumupango ora kubali kimiba kusatawe sigira kwezi kutibia tawo zwanyole kimiba kwabukimira kusatawe kwa hivyo ezo nenyambu kule nafasi no kureba musama kwa makubalimi nga recently kekupiga kimiba kyama kulanga even nyambi kuma jimakabisa ne sibo kali ziko fikida mtaime especially ne sitebla kino elifula niyo kwa hivyo noola nojie wari mangino mabe abu nazo manyoli yaba honga ekewata donena kwa aba intwaka tikingira wata nokuta kubimire kene inagiranga ebe challenge bako yaba manyi bamanyi bari deliye nyende kamuni tatikira kwezi kutibya lokali when the farmer na hati yaba kamuni radio milo kene lakini lengo lefwe kwa siku za uzoni kutoka sasa kutoka sasa lazima kama ikishombo upiga kimiba ngohorema abijizwa kujende kuisama baile nezonyole eskari yangani kunyola ngena no kukami lakini kunyola asara kubera lazima kuremo chemicals yo kunyola eskari lakini kurera kimiba kene kibaro kimia enegiba nende luke de barmere kunyola kunyola sukari ndai and the protein ndai kwa hivyo it is two way nende bali ni bana bo ubera kusima company mara babo ni barmero mundu kundi mara nitende kwaje kuri kuzabanda abekaluka no mwine without the kubona staff yase na tare makimi bakene igare ko program ta no kimi ne kilo de esambo ye kimi bakwikala ko site zigabela ku program ta no kwenya ha bali mini benye mbodi ni kimi yobozi ele ko blame game ubozi tawe ebe ezokorema ne korema ne dende wa manager ne sige makazuji ne bakaze ba ko bicha deal with them kama hoke kimi wakene ko nakola ko ala buzidi ndure roli
mudiha ndika bantu bewe sana na
bana mjaha ndika bantu nanu wenze mwenye sigira abantu basima ibinta omanye no lyabundu ewola abundu one eli akabese nenja mukamu ne baje ne na chayo ngechema babejanga babwe changa liwe ye kuche ne bantu ho nono vandu vekubera banende nende kumweho ko kuandika banye bantu bali akandika bantu sini dabala akandika sekretari wewe wenye bakakole kazi na hata kumano ese mnazibishibota lakini za hakimbo kabale akakola makulele kimyandu kubunge babaje kimyandu kyose bye kuandika bino bibaza byozimbo bozika babantu kubaditaye muzoya eline vantu baditaye very heavy bodazi very place neri kijugo areas na rero mundu abraho andika lakini bantu sini yono janzo yana kalman wakanabo mundu mulanga na baba bali mundu ngo mulinda bali pie bali secretary bali wananu bano babe na abazeli who employed to employ a police must be authorized by the board. Those are people who are temporary, who are just trying to keep time. Ngepoti ni authorized by the bank. Lakini mbona tike ni bali kaandika bantu ni andi ezina be na unokota lakini kwenye kuzuve so that procure instead of maintain the standard ye company kwa vindu vya kuandika bali munzi naoneta lakini kabali handika abundi niyo mundu akire namwe umuntu kabaho namwe mundu ucha kumuyeta omwene directly so that he has the link to the things that have been happening ezenga chairman of the authority given to me by the board and by the act of the company to make sure that things work in the best way of the company and has value which has been added.
Alafu liya imported sugar kwa marukane mkanda.
Imported sugar. The issue of the sugar sector suffering today ebana bas very imported sugar. Niye create a problem volanga esukari ya rere to yabakutia bakutia manasi barungire banza. No kuje kama matodo ko ke na mawanga ke mu papa emuhwe oje niende yeyo cyane matodo ke zibu kuzakaka. No muntu kanile bukane ke bukane mala habye jiringi ho kuje lidore la jingi jingira. Ne wa rie bukane ko kuje jingi bi. Nya wakuja matodo ko. Wija runo ngawija mujuri na bakabo je no wanja kumwati. Nona moko na mwanja kukuja kwa mwana ino kujia hata kujiringinga. Kwa hivyo a problem is similarly. One of the prime issues of the sectors of sugar is to deal with this elephant in the house, imported sugar. Imported sugar it is a government and the person who must be charged. Na mundu okoyako kazi as sugar directorate. And I can say without contradiction the sugar directorate seem to be sleeping on the job. Then the composition here directorate is plasma omulimi them. Yo omulimi yo yabone busu kweko esukali yose kuba kucheta na kapa buyoka ni bandu vema. Ekindi eri political. Gabo bali members of parliament, councillors from the sugar area. They were the president and make executive decisions, like the executive decision, about sugar. The sugar will continue. Sugar farmers will continue suffering because banana is kind of nothing. They go minister wa finance wa agriculture Peter Munya. Why you must look at Katangazi Kakazetile rules and regulations. But there are rules and regulations Katangazi. There are issues which they have excluded. So the purpose is you have gone to buy China, but sugar farm. Then you have gone to against car. Who they let them carry at whatever time they want. Umundu mubi na umundu okenyanga babantu besukali mukenya munota balinga akubolele mbo the imported sugar to take a political decisions. The sugar directorate in charge regulator yesukali yekurera muno kama sukali nibo bani problem nende efwe bantu besukali emila deba umundu kundi niyo nebaraho muserikali alejinja sukali Kenya Bureau of Standards. Any organization that contribute problems jebari mukenya. Bakiraho kutahuwa ku hongo sige banyakure alawe skari yecha Mombasa high seas for 3 years. Yeah, me akuthi. No ngesari edambo de barele skani ibo beshe bantu kuthi. And even no jakuma kwa rice ibintu bino byo akabamayini. Bakole ye. So the person who is the enemy of development, the enemy of alimi, are the Kenya Bureau of Standards. Are the compromise? Masaya that allow and the Kenyan gatekeeper. Allow no technique mirror Gigama Moyare every day. I think we don't have a country with rules and regulations. Kwa hivyo, imported sugar contributes largely the fall of sugar sector. And what is the answer? The answer is all leaders from the sugar sector. But there is a occasion. But give all the president. But the president just give presidential executive order. But SCAR is a important job. Mala is the body which has already been put into task force. Farmers buyers. But them kumuko pitikene. Malenia was riser. The shortfall. Otherwise, the WM no. The SCAR was here. Mala engine kila. Because when you walk the SCAR, you have price no kwenyata. And therefore, it affects the Rundi. Balimi. Everybody wilding the SCAR Cheranga Binuarunge. Kasai, that is 400 million. We can pay even all the debts which you are talking about. The king in only Escariano for 400, 4,500, the age of 400. Money to Hungarian, which are 300. Who very important sugar. That is the biggest elephant in the house. Mother, it can be only sorted out. Then the leaders. That is, we must go to Baba. We must go to everybody. We must go to people in leadership. We must go to Francis Glory. We must go to everybody who have come from the sugar factory. Mara who call a weekend, which call a president. Mara Russia executive order. How to manage the sector. And I can tell you for free, there is no crop in this world. Kenya
wakano mwami chairman wa mahoboro lazima muenje biongozi bandi kina baba kina tuoli kuja ku president kwa ukakoli report ya task force ya capture bintu bino byose yola wa
papa ninyando mene bocha ezo mdimbulo wa serikali atu nikanda manga zanga manisha ka abange zendi the chairman never point out nothing will not say what I'm saying. Now a report iliyo president can accept a report. One of the issues is cassetting of the rules and regulations. I'm informed, but in that cassettement they left out a lot of things which can deal with this animal. The elephant is the house imported sugar. No Kenya babali leaders was sugar sector. This is regarding the political affiliation. Whether it's Wetangula, whether it is Wamunyini, whether it is Eugene must lead by being the front, whatever, Nani senator, speaker. Both the governor and the man was in the councillors. But all in the voice in Dala. Mandabolanga from steel coach to guitar the Scabos of Yalaki. Mama Jovo, the president of Yeti, to get a main to walk for. Gurjin Jaqua, Mujarimena, a cassette for us, to check executive order for how to maintain the sugar sector. And one is that we must have a body which is friendly the body. No one can accept maybe more accepted. But who has taken route to implement? It must be properly. That's my which I have a new Okenyata. Holinga no Hama, Linen. Malacunyole answer your Holinga, Baba and Ricky Babano. Malacumeke Chuambo, the body in the Royal Macino Babaru. Challenge Jekula Hubarunga, the most obstacle in imported sugar. The Bureau of the Standard is a Caribbean number 1. The Sugar Directorate, Caribbean number 2. The Gina Nibo, ba manager, the shortfall of the sugar. Mana Nibo ba allow it to with them. Kwa hiyo, the answer. And we have the answer. The answer is to have mobilize our leaders. Bachiba hapi who pressing. Bali kwenya babantu banumamenye bawuruke bapire tiluka. Gundi beje cyo 16% which has been put in the task force. Iyo kurunganga tax no kurunga ya sugar 16%. Dero mu tita, dero mu kopita, dero ni medita, nebo kurunganga 16%. Yo kuyuza 16% kubalimi nebanyola jiringawe bulitani jiringira busika. Nebanyola jebusika baho zimerosyo mu Kenya zinyajali yo mulimi nga eskarita. Yenya zabali ba leaders ba rise to the occasion. Balele ya political affiliation mala bache ko babo zibara bamwapile mala balele sanity balele bintu biraimo mu sugar industry. That's what I can do. Because there's nothing, whatever you do, whatever structure you want to do, whatever leadership you make, if you don't address the issue of imported sugar to the conclusion about who they will not sort out the issue of Zoya because banakuja sukari balipe Peter alafu babukeje Peter balipe George mu accounts basoma elitini and lending urungo ino kubi no kujebyo ino engene ni kukalabati makolanga. We must remove it by having structured way of leading this industry.
Na holisabu na chairman mbone levirumbasi na revali kama kwa leadership and political leaders alibulibunga limbo babunge balala ko panga chilingi mu factory wakati wa campaign baada ya campaign alinabakera wapalo bahulipa alafu ya kabili ali political wing sera supportanga sana kwinyosera mwe kukhula kwa company yenzo ya tabungali na mwe tawere bako chairman alafu nabone mata mulidi hapo na ali biafo bubalimi nendo mwene sumulimi ali sima chairman management yenzo ya ku revive a company na huendelea kukhola lobbying na kwamba ku government abantu banyole kama pesa kapale kabasukume paka hata balimi ba 2019 bosi banyole limotole ali hata waitikashi ndai
baba yirakaye kama swali genyi makusikila
levirumbasi abena rebali ndevera chairman mulibunga limbo babunge bakalibe kopanga chilingi mu factory malamba ataye baloba kurunga paata ekura na baendelea barobari alafu sapa support kabisa ukura kwa kampuni yenzo ya tawe our political leaders alafu limbalilishi
eli public company bibi niyo kwa muka rumomo omu debi yali ndaito likuja mu especially with the new constitution kuja mu company inspect record the company kwenya kukolenga zindu illusions zitawe ba omuntu nyawape Muzoya kaja kaka mbina makaka tata. It's not possible. I've been there now for the 4 years. It's possible that bibi ndivira saka company eri kama ogeji kule important issue. Kwa hiyo umuntu ahubola ali politician ojijanga Muzoya na abukajitendi na kola campaign maza kakutata engene ewoli title dilumbasi kuja kuvugwa record check myaka 10 ke company zigira ine company yo deria sita ezezo mai alafu rere record zikeza banyabaru jemu inje kazi zikana zo nyawe waru jemu zahaguta that was just kiriyo cha explain ile checha why ainje skadal mangasa na accountant kwa kubolanga zindu wali ba muda jemu zo ya kapa jendi ka campaign hiyo ni story vile dita mwingine anasemanga hiyo ni story. Kwa hiyo ni story na Zoya imekuwa kama mzuri tu. Zoya barechanga kumeza ku National Assembly every year the financial statement engene ina ebolanga siya kolegasyo si mabare chang parliament parliament ne yinginieba ne ba nunga na today my party no abango mundu akuganga itendi and the other party will have questions this guy about mle kama kuambo na ndio yote cha kunonana na mjiro jiri abnormal explain janja jerie lakini bia nebe kwa kwa the way I see didn't be kolekana because of material ne hurunga KRA 15% and all those things kolenya serikali ne keta kwa pia kule bindu byene bine kwa ngo mukano yalumile ne munyambo lendi ndeli subira yet bali ndeko kwa manzoya kumuliminati byata sigira dinende connection khoye nzoya. Yesterday I was with the Minister for Finance. Na the director of the Kizak. Kwa jahu engineer Kamau Ori investment secretary. Wakuna swati yo mana wa connect. Ka usubi jambo engineer mbili chi muno immediately ne banja July chini chiwecha. Yeah, we are going to fix. Ne kalu kulenya anga moral support. What you're supporting you about Manaholang Korea to me. Failure to pick the show again on time. It is my thing, and I will tell my MD I will not compromise. Compromise last number one. Manola actually every Friday. Mujud Aharifa million made start of food every region. They have been complaints when you have it, not like in the past. It is under consideration. I have asked the MD, if the tradition gives us a chance, factory how we can using other 3 regions in harvesting. So that we don't have stoppage because of cane coming from the field. In that empty, Malamore, yes, I have to go in at a sabone, but give me what the Kiwana music was out. Because my work, and my work is to give instructions. It does not work, and my work is to use the result on your behalf. It says, then Dinga, Omano, you know, we're not Mambo coming up. Kwa hiyo omuntu omulema hoke kichenja malire nabola ali
loping yendele
dola supportanga ali ba leaders one dola supportanga. I can say ba leaders very few na supporting this campus, lakini lazima now they must raise the occasion to be all of them be counted. Can ba raise the decision even made but I would support them. Nani Senator Kennedy Lusaka, when do we need to see the minister? Nani Wetamula, when do we need to see the Minister for Finance? Have been taking them. Duties has been the most supporting industry. Kulenyanga suppose raise the occasion. Mabale kebindu bindi mabale mabesa utindala. Malesa utinginei enakolambo. The carry take action. Even when we want something, let's go to one place and make decisions. This is regarding your church, your party, and where you come from. Because as you give me back your Marsafu Vita, back West Bukot. Come on, back and what you give to go a family, give me mine. For to one bandy. Vamurusha Bandu. Operanya na Harita, Eugene Arimo, Papa Narimo, Anyang Nyong, all those leaders. Which are president who make one single day decision. We make a change. That's my cry.
Hakuchana kumalisha nabo no mwami machimbo kala singa reba ndebere chiamani bandu bebe sukari yeyo babatira na mweta alikubera president na ulira ali sukari bebile yatibile araba yesa alaba yetariena
kenochi
alafu Collins Collins yabona ali ndebereko chairman Weighbridge ya Makhese bakakifungula ndalo sina Weighbridge ya Makhese bakakifungula ndalo sina alafu Elam ama ndebere chairman akaritaya ndalo sina
alafu nakutasira alala kuli nende former MC wa Kamkwe bali Moses Opicho areba ali ndebereko chairman nzoya ino bakakikholele modernization sukusina yeka machine nye compete nende other sugar mills chichile ali khubera balo bakhola bari banyala batibye soko kenyakhana umwami chairman yakhubolele alafu ata sahali lundi nzoya mulakhola muriena nyumende ine customer benyu sikila bakali banjira ku withdraw ne bacha mu private companies
namba nanje no mwana muno ntigiye mu bana wazenia already the project the ngaba serikali ya miti ya right of all the debt. So now a question is embarking on how to restructure the company. Niwenye sehemu kama deni kusi kasi na KRA kama na kabenyo kero, but now the process is on. So the factory will be structured as we go. The factory, the factory year 1902. It is a question of putting some would have been more than who second stage saving now the factory very I have a people who are sharing it, but I think almost number one more winter to you in the factory it's just efficient. New Yeniva, really contribute to efficiency. The factory was a factory computer factory injection. Could you a boiler which has been an issue? In the last day of making Pitaru, now what is almost 50% of the factory. Only coin, the Unadi can be about how the Colita or never quite dealing with the million kilo. Part of it and most of it will be to addressing the factory, to modernize it, to the level more efficient. And the efficient means good and many, a lot of sugar that comes out of it, and that's our aim. Mother will say that direction. All of Milan, the
Yamachimbe, really.
Yamachimbo, Ali Martin, Baby Namata.
Ali Hubera,
Papa Majim. Pare Hojimo Janakova. Already what you yes discussed. Now, why you got the Omi? Why you living really young Volanga? When you keep saying Vivet, Namunayo, Pakabati, Kabajabatira. Besides, when you're on that number and get already Rory, yes, that's Kari, Panu Lady. Kulai Jan go on the river, Kulai Jan the owner, then Kulai Jan go very young reverse. Come and Akakila and Bojimbo Janakova, Dala, Disayo, in and corruption. In done. Pavole Jano, last Maruche report. The Kahola Hurio, Alava Millennium. Urenyanga who have who them up our team. And no who would have been a party. Valakawa, when you realize, Alafu, Nivona Vegan report Dano controller. Get back with Dano control processes. Just here the chapter down in the kama hawezi kuleta basi niwaambia mteko yule utekua wale walikuamu na wale hawakuamu na itaenda kufanyika. Kwa hivyo usiende haraka kwa sababu tunataka tutoe hii uchafu kabisa. Tuwenye kundi mundu kundi admrega ngene yuko investari tawe lakini kulukuru ngapulo kana kumola hata baraka be yakka abandi abandi kababola bachamchoni baluma nekuwa bakuperusimu bakamukoli baluma nemcho bakombea nganendeka kela bandu bano baba bandu bandu corruption yekabakola nindi kumugeze mbuli bakurala la papa na bakwengishe basi kwafunga iminyango umuntu ali balunza kwa hivyo ewo kala bwana hayiri la bazeri ishaka ishaka kwa hivyo linda mali na kupende lazima something is that because ahoro mangota udoli wakana kulenya ngo kuvuni kwa mtu fulani mai mbona mayote wawe makombe nyangoro kama na akatenga ni moja ni amenzoya elinda hii amenzoya to kwa mwini wabayunga engineer nameyo ne barunga bimijara ngiyonyolanga busa with advantage and that is our my dream and I can tell you this dream will be accomplished within the six months to come. Kwa hiyo majimbo Karazinga manyozo libo bantu abo onabati ni baba ruwezwa amanyoli babana bemenje balala babaho kubole yekuwa kwadi kubaida mukarimu wala kwalangira kubalangira baba ndege babatirangana. Kwa hiyo these are not preachers, these are not being most, lakini we are up to conclusion. Indano audit awambole akoli forensic audit na kama data report kwize ndakia manuwe boss urole umuntu wamanye forensic audit ainiye mu bintu bye yekola hunze ska bine bise njya kuvugira akabire likiro ndaga that no kwinye zikyabwe nani babirira no kunyolenga egage kugironda pakana byako walu lo kusuma kushene ndu amangazi kuti ngono amino. That is my thinking. Kwa hivyo engineer Karazinga, we are up to the task, Baba, and I can assure you, we will not allow this to happen again.
Chairman, no huchana kumalilisia wakana unaponanga succession politics, political realignments, bantu bepanga na bepanga omwana muluya oho kurekeresya asubuhi syaluno onyala wabano mpolo olisinani era muloponi ezaberekare birelindi lya retirement lya retirement
retirement is on our program and we want to pay you all your money. In fact, the master plan nekuna yentalandi kurunga kamateli kana kozikelo bana kurunga retirement benefit all deduction just recovery and who will up our renewing our nuclear. And our nuclear, we are estimating that we must have 500 million shillings to put as a master plan. And the nuclear, the factory, 11 months without good change of women, kwa hivyo muna huo is very to compete nabo. We are competing with them because we are down. When we are up, they be crying.
Succession politics.
Kwa hivyo vinde politics no horeba.
Muruya.
Na kubolele ininwendo. In a language yebasaho. Ndibaba leaders ba raise beyond the political divide. Malabanje kuyenda bantu abwe. Agenda ya leaders kweli. Babalenya bache alala policy. Nedina niso mwana muliya ni barale jange meni kuko. That's the question. Ask them, have you they pronounced anything that agenda they are proposing that the president or to any other person? Kwa hiyo they must come together. It is a question, it's a must. Because that is the strongest message. They will give the message that for once we are here and we can put a leader if we want to put. We can be leader if we want to be a leader. Calculate number. And keep on increasing our numbers. Kwa hivyo nenda ya baleke bibi kundi nenda kurira binu bikabayeka tawe bechalala baje kuba kujya mu sirikari mara kubera mama n'abageneza agenda ye bantu babwe agenda ye kutumira abana agenda ye kurera buda kiri mu bantu aba buda kiri no bantu babiri yani kuhorera agenda barungo muri montai mara kide issue dimbo bibintu byamenje bihavye gata ikila president ya tukali by Kenya biwi Kenya you start the philosophy his one the both big agenda one is employment and industry. So young and he employs the largest number of employment in the whole Western. The whole Western. I'm talking of Western that coming from Vita to West Bokos. The whole Western, lawyer involved more than anything else. A company here who did that and the operator has tried as much. But there are simple things to revive Mumias. Very simple. Get the rules and the legislation. Barere, SEL, yeah, company. Malabaru Barere, but to Barere, Kidney Kamanakan. The Mumias will wake up. The Mumias does not need money. Who's the card? It needs a real Kamalak. But Karusie, Dila Kadia, Yakimiva, Sugar Up. The majority of the who read Sugar Up in Parliament Ninga, Ominga, Holaza. But Kadia, Mama Abu Neo Kawakamakusako, Malaya, Ebermika Kamenaka, the given in the Kamalak. Okay. There's no Hara billion or Hara of Giro Zimumias. There was even in the open-ended economy where Mundara is cutting a Kenya, the way Kenya who are living without care. The taxation and the most important one, and I have to conclude on that one. A limbo, Multas post under certain page, I'll get it right. Wabolahuli, Barusio 16%. Where you will still read it like Vidia, Vindi. Maybe a name, Naka, who may be like. Quite leaders, let us speak one voice. The reason why we have been reduced is because we speak with different voices. Today, Moreku Panu Maki, never managed to Kirana. Iyo na changanya watu yetu. Lakini sisi watu wa Western kutoka sio kutoka Mpita kutoka huko upande wa Tanzania mpaka kule tukiwa pamoja wale wa serikali bao ni bakadaka huko bala kuliende Apple leaders wamenyika twaida kuenya shuka industry ekaluka hakola kuma wakati ka shuka hapa lakini shuka haki elio kama dipili jinsa karusia hata mjuli no level president na tangaza la ndo mai na bala ila kuja yecha alafu elizanga wele kama kiba leo yo jamza obo president ko nende shuka haki your excellence ewe kaji yoko makamizia ni kaji ya shuka haki na bakude kamalaka mu sector ya yeska
chairman na ha na ha kumbali
we have seen you and we see you lakini wenya kupila abundu tefiri kubera your decision to tell
na ha kumbali
lazima mu raise above your personal ego your personal interest mjile enje mama the issues you area umasikini buli mbandu lepe kubera political decisions have not been made. Political decisions kikaba made elikuja ku serikali ku demand ambazo leo yenyewe Roma ino no kujaja ikola bola kwa kina president aba mu ndizala mundai wala ye anyaho kola kwisi kama na ngonde bato anezi something else
na kumbalisha chairman nabo ne principal retire Wilson Kayemba abola ali akusimba chairman wanende MD huandika 500 Ken loaders kwa mabungu amakaundari kwa muendele huandika babana befwe alafu chairman ilikuwa lio limbalilisi kumulimi we kumwiba bone bandi na baraba na chairman ya retire ndalo sina
baselene Is there Holange Kazi and the massive of his excellence the president? And you don't look at me, look at what I perform. If you think at that age I'm not performing, yes, you can recommend for retirement. But the government is Holange Kazi Madagendera, Vanevalia, so be it. Kwa hivyo, kama yani ndi Malaysia thinking that I should retire, mani Kenya ali ne babana basa bakikone, uyo ayo musikoteni. Lakini eze kole kasi the president halmaze kola tanze kakoleta. Lakini mnamano ntakole kambi chaze nono akala kwa ntakola nganzo yomesa, beti kamu njase kingali. Jakira naja mutia. nina mano cha kwa lebe ne kuyandikwa yeli bali abane njao ne yewe ni baba na kuminile enyinganda ka tendo bijo kanyoni kwa hivyo nenye mungu wino yamanya kwa hivyo nenya sime bakali bakolere tisa bakola ekamuni tisa mababa kiwakimi bamaka basirindanga burungi be balimi engene nino nenyamba basime sana nenda muolera ngandi mpango kwefwe kubalimi kulinga wera alomera mu Jeremia aliwele kasi kuzima sana kuli sinzi yone kenya kukola akolanga kubera kakusima none se kola buli sindu kube ngati mabali mbefwe mala kubele nyenye sichuma chenye siliyo ngokundi kama kubola awo nenyamaliyo mbonzoya yongene employer babandu ku over 10,000 plus nyangolo kwa design ne kuchenja kulota kimiba sayi ulota ne bana benyu waandike babana ni 5 uyurumira ku management advice ya management ya Zoya through the MD nenya kupira stand MD ya kukaje manager botin ngabaka na kani bali kwanje kurumikira babana bano bali kuba idol tawe sikabana baba idol then the county becomes unsecure kama na gadenye ndo mendio mbasime zime sube uma nafasi ino kubolela betibala ni kalugirambo kama kuwako sukari mukaruinga ta tenda kugula sise ta kwa wereje indano ojita nyanga saba ulu report alafu ne kurafuwa abwanga kulisindu ne kobereza liye boleli bindu ne bali no reportile doanja kuba omwe no kuwenja olekela jimbo jana kuba kigaba nende nyegere yo kunyola babantu be nebo kondema eden kondema jamu wanzo George Mangoli omuliye tuba involved lazima kuna mwenja habaka akajamu mumurisizo woyaye baka umurela utima mumulole kwa hivyo ninya time ne ngongulu janja sandi tule mwakolabula ibapa ni hoja muzimanga khale buli khase mbo mwaba mustari wa mbele upane factory yo nyabuza andia bafunga khale mugibo umulanga bali mulilio mabandu bakukula kumuwe kama na kakira no papo de boleli muchipe moyo na mjue mkijua ya kwamba wakati mmoja Mungu atakuja na tena wakasema kwa hivyo kwa mambo ya kuiba hii ya hiyo prosecution ya mtu ambaye ameiba sukari mambo ya Yesu na wale wetu wawili Pilato alishindwa akasema kama nyinyi mjui ni nani taweza ama ni Yesu kama namna hii na usaweza mkono yangu ile tunasafisha kwa sababu ya corona kwa hivyo mkichunga na corona msafize mkono muwe mbali kama mimi niko sio kwa sababu natoa sauti mzuri otherwise kama hapana iko karibu hiyo mgonjwa imetabiliwa kwa Biblia usome James Corinthians na alafu msome Isaya ambaye anasema ya kwamba hii ugonjwa itakuwako na dawa yake ni kusafisha mkono hata ukiwa tajiri nani hata ukiwa drum unaona president wa Burundi ameenda kwa sababu ya hiyo ugonjwa sasa kwa hivyo si mtu asichekelea haiko na maliza na kusema asante sana shule pendekezo yetu kwa mkubwa yenu ya kwamba Mungu amupe maisha marefu na hii stage niendelee kutumikia wananchi wa Kenya asante Mungu
asante sana chairman kakaba chairman iweso mwami Joshua Mangoli kakupana bakati baja chawukana ku kamboni yenzoya